Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am a little bit red, as you can tell. I did get some sunburn, but we're just going to ignore that. I am bringing you today into my beauty room, which as you can tell is a little bit of a mess. I recently came back from Glasgow where I had stayed 2 nights. We stayed the night before her wedding and then obviously the night of her wedding, so all the stuff is still to be unpacked. And then while I was packing for it, I made an absolute disaster because I can't seem to pack for going anywhere without making a mess in here. But anyway, without further ado, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's clean up this bad boy. I wouldn't say it's too bad, it's just a lot of picking up and putting away, and then I'll give everything a quick dust and hoover it then.
I could see this through, I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. Fight it through till the darkness turns.
So as you can see, that's all the stuff I've not unpacked yet, and then I have pyjamas and stuff, things for rubbish, things to go back in the cupboards. So what I'm going to do is put things into piles if they need to go like places like the linen cupboard or the bathroom or downstairs, and then I have also brought up a carrier bag for the bin. I'm going to tidy up the desk, but I'm going to keep the makeup out because I'm going to be filming a video on the wedding makeup I did for my sister-in-law's wedding because I really liked the way it turned out. So I've left everything in that bag, and then things that are here, I need to leave them, but everything else I will try my best to tidy. If you watched my speed clean with me thing on my kitchen the other week, then you will have seen that I like to listen to music when I tidy up. Today is a little bit different. I would still listen to music, but I'm in the middle of a movie and then I thought I'm going to pause it, stop procrastinating and tidy this up while I watch it. So I'm watching Friends with Benefits on Netflix. I've not seen it for a while, so we are watching that and having it as background noise but not getting too distracted where I end up not doing anything and just sitting watching it. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so today is the next day. Oh, my battery's just flashed. I'll need to go and charge it, but I ran out of time yesterday. It was getting late, it was really hot. Yesterday was the day where it said it was over 30 degrees, so as you can imagine I was very sweaty after tidying up. So just now it's the next night. I'm gonna finish off. After the wedding, I was just so tired and ended up just chucking things in bags. You know when you get your hair professionally done for an event and there's a million Kirby's in your hair? I ended up, when I took them all out, they were in a nice little pile on the table, and when we were packing up for checking out of the hotel, I just swept them into this Primark bag. See the size of it? There's about 40 Kirby grips in here, and I am regretting my life choices right now. So I'm going to empty this out and see how bad it is. There's also a bag of skips that I forgot about. One of the big massive grab bags. I will be having that tomorrow. Also see some shortbread that Ryan must have stashed from the hotel, so I'll need to put that in the kitchen. But I'm just going to continue emptying this, and then I'll show you how many Kirby's I ended up chucking in here. Oh my god, he's took the notepad as well. And the pen. Ryan, seriously? It's a pencil. Why? Why has he done that? That's just going to clutter up my desk now. That is me finished. I am very sweaty again, so I'm going to take myself into the shower. I'm just going to do a quick overview of everything, and then that will be the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I just wanted to say thank you to all my new subscribers. It really means a lot that you are all clicking the subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So here's an overview. Nice clean floors, all hoovered. I didn't do a proper clean of this because I'm going to save this for another video. I'm going to do a makeup declutter soon, and like I said earlier, that makeup's for a future video. So apart from that, it's all nice and tidy.